My channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I will going to guide you how to earn a TRX by using the mining process. And friends, I give you a complete review. Please watch this video complete so I can explain all the informations. Friends, I already opened the link in the description. You can check out this, and I will provide you link in the description. You can check out this. TRXKJ.net is the name of domain of this website. This is the email portion, login password, security password, and this is the captcha. And you need to fill sorry invitation code. You need to put your email here, such as my email is that real game word 6 email gmail.com is the my domain gmail. And after putting this, I need to put this login password and security password. I put this password and enter into the website. After friends putting all the information, you can see check. I put my password and I click on a confirm options. You can see that the password and security password cannot be continued, and you can see that you need to put the password which is not same as a login password. I check here. Friends, you can see that now I click on a sign up, and you can see that the I successfully entered into the website. Here you can see that the we are and TRX digital currency agent, and it is legal for TRX to sign a contract with us. We promote project to increase the popularity of TRX and attract traffic. Let the world knowing the promoting TRX or investing in TRX can make money, which means that the market value of TRX can be higher, so the value generated will become part of the investors profits. Official website URL link is that you can check. Customer services of link is that you can check out the basic value you need to invest and rent our mining machine to obtain mining income. The income of basic wallet needs to be withdrawn every day. No withdrawal, no accumulation. You can check here. Cumulative deposit 5 to 10,000 TRX 2.8, 3.8%, 5.8%, 6.8%, 8.8%, and promote wallets. In the promotional wallets, you can choose the term that suits your investment. Different mining income are generated in different periods. The cycle in 3 days, the income ratio is 2%, and the investment cost is 100 TRX to 10,000 TRX. You can also check this, and you can see that the website provides you level 1 user 30 TRX, level 2 user reward 20 TRX, and level 3 reward will be rewarded 10 TRX, unlimited invitation reward. Now friends, after reading all the information, you need to click on I now. You can see that I enter into the website. I get 800 TRX as a registration reward, which is equal to, you can check here, which is equal to many amounts in Pakistani rupees and other currencies. You can check this. I have 800 TRX, which is equal which is I get as a registration reward. In the up of the website, you can check here three types of icons. First is change of language, second is notification. Such as I click on a notification, this notification I already describe you, therefore I go back. And friends, then together this is the customer service option I describe already about it. And now friends, I am going to describe you the other informations. Suddenly I click on the information of this friends, and other information I enter it. Friends, you can see that I successfully entered into the website. There are many types of steps, but I describe you deposit and withdrawal at the end. Now I am going to describe you share. I click on a share option. This portion is very necessary because invite your content or friends and earn reward. Invite rules you can check. You need to copy this link and share this link to your friends, and your friends invest this website. You can get automatically a registration reward. Friends, now I go back here. This is the team option. You can check your team, how much you have team in level 1 and level 2. Friends, you can see that in team, you can see that I have no team in this website because I joined this website now. I go back from this website. This is the app option. You can download the app. This is the logout option, which are not necessary, basic wallet and promotion wallet. And friends, in the done, you can see that experience, and you can see that a financial wallet. These are the wallets. Join to be a drone millionaire, use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all the users get the most direct revenue. And friends, in the terms, you can see that accumulated profit is that, membership of this website is that. About us, we are at our best. You can read all information, but I cannot read, the video becomes so long. In this information that are described that we can earn a TRX by using this feature. In the down front, you can see that global partner of this website that supporting to this website, such as Tron Pro Link, and you can check all these are supporting to this website. Now I click on a trading option to show you the trading feature of this website. You can need to buy the VIP, such as if we buy VIP 1, you can get a 2.80 TRX as a that. If you want to claim this 22 TRX after 23 hours every day. Now I click click on a VIP option, you can see that this website provides you a 4 VIP and with a different withdrawal amount, different income and different rebate. You can also check. I describe you how to upgrade it. Last is the special VIP, you can also get it. I click on invest option. Friends, you can see that the website provides you many types of package such as that you can double your amount by using this feature, such as if you invest in 30 days you can get a double amount. Now from there you can see that my total balance is that you can check here. This is the deposit option, this is the withdrawal option, the charge any number of TRX to activate the account. Now friends, I am going to describe you how to deposit in this website. I click on a deposit option, you can see that I click on deposit option. I click on a copy address. After copying the address you need, friends, please do not recharge other non-address. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. Minimum 5 deposit, 5 tier, less than 5 tier cannot be credited. Friends, now I go back to the trust wallet to show you how to deposit in this website. I can deposit in this website 5 TRX to show you how to deposit in this website. Friends, you can see that I have a 10 TRX to show you how to deposit in this website, and now my total balances you can check here. I click on a send and I click on a data. I click post my address such as my limit is 5 TRX. Now I click on a continue options. After clicking the continue, I need to click on a confirm. After confirm, I need to click on a continue options. After clicking the continue, you can see that I sent a successfully 5 TRX to the company and it is in a pending. I wait for the complete sended of it, and you friends see that my successfully sent the TRX to the account. Now I need to go back to the account and I click on a recharge completed. And friends, you can see that I click on a recharge completed to invest in this website successfully, and I wait for a few seconds so my transaction successfully added in my account. I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe my channel. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel because I make a new amazing video like this. And friends, if you want to earn money without any investment, you need to invest and you need to make money through these features of sharing. And friends, I hope you like and understand. If you do not understand, please watch the video again so you can understand easily. Friends, you can see that this is the my amount I deposited in the account. Now I am going to describe you how to take a withdrawal from this website. For a withdrawal process, you need to copy some steps and follow, such as I click on a withdrawal. You can see that I click on a withdrawal option, and after clicking on a withdrawal, you can see that my daily withdrawal fee is 2% and I have 2%. You can see that here, and now you can see that 2%. I put my 2% here, how much I have 2%, and you can see that handling fee and other. You can check out this, and you can see that I put here 0.2 because I want to withdraw a money. You can increase your daily limit by investing more and more TRX in this website. Such as friend, I paste my address here and I click on confirm. The basic account balance does not currently support, and I wait for the completely handling fee, and I need to decrease my amount is here, such as I click on a 0.1. This is not supporting also, and I increase more one, and now you can see that my balance is in few percent. Therefore I take withdrawal after 24 hours because if I invest in this website. I hope friends if you invest in this website and you can get your this trading amount and you can get easily withdrawal from this website. I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye. And friends, you can see that I invest in this website and my total amounts are my total revenue are in a pending. I wait for the complete increasing of this. If it has increased and I mine successfully, I can withdraw it easily. I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye.